Sawadee krab. My name is Nick. I'm from BudgetCatcher. Today I'm going to show you how to use the keyless key for the motorbike. Let's go. So the key mainly has two buttons. The top button is basically to press and find the bike when you're parking, so you know where the bike is. When you press the bike, the lights will beep, so you know where you're parking. And for the keyless key, it's basically the same as the vehicles, as the cars. As soon as you walk away from the bike, it will automatically lock. But as soon as you approach the bike, if the light is green, you can just tap in one time and the key light on the dash will show. If the key light shows, you can just turn the knob 2 times to the left and the screen will come on. That means the bike is already ready to turn on. And to start the bike, you just need to squeeze the brake and make sure the kickstand is up, because if the kickstand is down, doesn't matter what you do, you cannot start the bike. So you have to make sure to put the kickstand up first, hold the brake all the way in, and then press the start button for 2 seconds. I'll show you one more time close up. Okay, so basically press in 1 time, turn 2 times, squeeze the brake all the way in, and just press the start button for 2 seconds and it will be on. And in case you come to the bike and you cannot turn anything on, double check the key on the bottom button. If you click it, if the light goes red, that means it's locked. So you have to hold the bottom button till it goes green. As soon as it hits green, press in and the key signal will show right here. Then you can turn it on. Okay, so for now, I will show you how to open the seat and lock the neck of the bike. To lock the seat, just press in 1 time and turn it 1 time to the key, goes to the seat signal right there. Press down on the seat button and the seat should pop right open for storage area and fuel right here. And to close the seat, to make sure it locks, if you push in the middle, it will not lock. You have to make sure to push on the end till it clicks 1 time and it will lock. For locking the neck of the bike, you have to push the neck all the way to the left and then press in to the knob, push all the way to the right to the lock signal, and it should lock the neck of the bike. So for another thing, for the top button here is for the alarm signal from the motorbike. If it's parked and someone touches the bike, the alarm will come on and you can tap the top button here to stop the alarm, or you can just tap in here 1 time to stop it the same. Hi, and if you do need any help with the bike or any of our vehicles, you can contact us through the number down below, or we do have WhatsApp or the Line application that you can contact us if you do need any help. And also the last thing, we do have our application that you can go in and book the bikes 24/7. Thank you.